Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a little reset with me. I really enjoy doing these videos off camera, so I thought I would bring you along on one of them on camera. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
My heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober and I was thinking.
So first up, I decided to put a hair mask in my hair just because I knew I was going to be washing it later, and I like to do this once a week. And then we headed over to the range to pick up some cleaning essentials that I wanted to get, just because I knew I was going to be doing a little clean with me at home, and I do like to get some new products every now and then. So these were the bits that I picked up, and then I got stuck in as soon as I got back, starting off with my bedroom. I will be honest, one of my least favourite jobs to do is the bedroom. I hate changing sheets. They are such a task, but I just love that fresh feeling, and look how clean and lovely it looks now. I got these new sheets from the range. I love them. I just think they're so soft as well, and yeah, it was a really nice, quick, easy clean. So moving on, I moved on to Pia's bedroom, which was a little bit of a task. I wanted to give it a little bit of a refresh and sort it out and kind of neaten it up a little bit. And I did get rid of some stuff that she no longer uses as well and pack them away for baby girl. I just want to say, excuse my very annoying chewing. If it's annoying me, I know that it's probably annoying some of you guys, and I feel like maybe I just brought it up now and now you're noticing it, so I don't know whether I should even keep this in, but for anyone that it's annoying me too, and I'm sorry. I love this box. It's Pia's memory box, and we also have one for baby girl, and it just feels so weird to be able to think that, oh my god, we're going to start and collect so many new memories for baby girl. We're doing the nursery soon, and I cannot wait to show you guys. She sorted all of Pia's clothes out literally the night before this and got rid of all of her clothes that no longer fit her, packed away all of the ones that I'll be using for baby girl, and then threw the ones that were stained. And I also have another pile as well. I do actually need to sort Pia's clothes out here, and as the weather is slightly changing, put more of her warmer clothes there. Pia's room is definitely one of my favourite rooms in the house. I just love how cozy it is. So next up, we moved on to putting a wash on and sorting out my living room. I just love making my sofa because I just love that fresh feeling and how neat it looks. Of course, there's always toys on my floor now, so this probably was like that later that day again, but I do like to try and keep on top of it. And I love the frame that we did there in the corner. We actually did that with a photocopier. I saw it on TikTok and I thought it was such an amazing thing to do. And then we moved on to my kitchen. My kitchen wasn't too bad, so I only really needed to put some washing up away and just clean the surfaces really. So this day we was also going for a food shop, so I made sure a little bit before this I wrote down my weekly shop that I wanted to get. I find that it kind of keeps me on track and then I don't waste food, because I like to obviously make sure that I'm eating food that's in date and stuff. So I find doing a weekly sort of meal prep is so much easier for us, so that's what I did. And then we headed over to Aldi, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a big fan of going food shopping. I love it. Oh my god, look at Pia with her little Crocs. She's recently started walking and honestly it's the cutest thing ever. We actually let her walk around the shop with Ben while I kind of did my food shop. Picked up some really nice fruit, some nice veg and some nice hearty meals for the week. God, look at her go. She's just too cute, honestly. It still doesn't seem real that she like walks now. I honestly get so excited every time I see her walk. Okay, so this was our shop at the end, and then I didn't realise, but Pia was just like picking stuff up and putting it on the side, and I was just like, oh my god, like I was like amazed, and it was just the cutest thing ever that she knew that that's what you were supposed to do, and I just couldn't get over it. And then we headed back home, and then straight away I like to put my shopping away. I like to give these little snacks to Pia. She really likes these, and I keep them in the fridge so they're nice and cold. And then also I just filled up her snack cupboard as well, just with some little bars and stuff. And then these were actually for snacks for Ben for work, and also just like some snacks for me. I then hopped in the shower. I wanted to wash my hair, because if you have your hair up in a slick bun, you know what your hair looks like when you take it down, and you know that feeling when you just want fresh hair, and my hair felt amazing after this.
So beautiful all the time. I know I can't be with you. It's killing me.
And then it was time to run Pia a bath, and I love letting her just play in there for a little bit. Of course I watch her, but she honestly is doing this thing where she just likes standing in the bath, so I have to be really careful with her, but she absolutely loves bath time.
All of the things that I wish I could say, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you.
And then lastly, I wanted to give my nails a little bit of a refresh, and I've been wanting to do my nails blue for a very long time, and I don't know why, I just always just chicken out and just go for a classic nude, but today I was feeling it, so that is how I ended my evening.
So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you, and in my head it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
And that is how I've ended this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed a little reset with me. I have really enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see me do more, please let me know and I will happily do that for you guys. But until next time, I'll see you in my video. Make sure you wait to see the end result for my nails because I love them, and let me know what you guys think down below. Bye!
I wish you were mine, 'cause every